AE676C is a versatile astronomy camera powered by the Sony IMX676 color sensor. Compact and lightweight, it combines low noise, high infrared sensitivity, and wide dynamic range for deep sky, solar, lunar, planetary, guiding, meteor, and Milky Way imaging. Now, let's take a look at how to assemble the AE676C for different applications. Attach the included CS fisheye lens directly to the camera, then install the LP8-5 infrared filter cap. This allows only near-infrared light above 825 nanometers to reach the sensor, making it easy to capture unique infrared Milky Way images with striking visual style. The AE676C is compatible with the entire GS Guide Scope series, creating an ultra-lightweight deep sky imaging setup. Using the GS150 as an example, attach the included 1.25-inch extension tube to the front of the camera, then connect it directly to the rear interface of the GS150. The following shows the installation procedure for the HOPE-D60 telescope. First, remove the factory-installed M42F-to-Cs adapter from the camera body, replace it with the included 11mm M42F to M42F adapter. Then install the 1mm M42M to M54M adapter ring, followed by the filter drawer. Secure the filter drawer to the OAG with screws. Finally, connect the entire assembly to the rear of the telescope. When attaching the filter drawer to the OAG, make sure to adjust the rotation angle to avoid interference when sliding the filter in or out. When used with the D60, we recommend removing the CAA locking knob in advance to prevent mechanical interference. When pairing the AE676C with a solar telescope for solar imaging, simply adjust the adapter rings or extension tubes as needed to achieve focus. This setup method also applies to lunar and planetary imaging. The AE676C features a standard 1/4-inch threaded mount on the back, allowing direct tripod installation. Combined with the fisheye lens, it can be quickly deployed as a meteor monitoring camera, an all-sky observation system, or a Milky Way time-lapse imaging device. The AE676C's highly compatible mechanical design enables a wide range of installation options and imaging applications. Let's explore even more creative ways to use it, share your imaging experience and results, and discover the limitless possibilities of astrophotography together.